Dear students, welcome back to the class. Last class, we have discussed the MCQ questions from the chapter Trigonometry. So in this session, we are going to discuss the 2-mark question from the chapter Trigonometry, which came in 2023 and 24 board examination. So let's start. Our first question from the today's session is, find an acute angle theta when cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta plus sin theta is equal to 1 minus root 3 by 1 plus root 3. So this one we can solve it with the cross multiplication method. So here cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta plus sin theta is equal to 1 minus root 3 divided by 1 plus root 3. Now we can cross multiply this one. So we'll get it cos theta minus sin theta, cos theta minus sin theta into 1 plus root 3 is equal to cos theta plus sin theta, cos theta plus sin theta into 1 minus root 3, 1 minus root 3. Now we can expand. So cos theta into 1 is cos theta, then cos theta into root 3 is root 3 cos theta plus root 3 cos theta minus sin theta plus minus into minus root 3 sin theta minus root 3 sin theta minus root 3 sin theta, which is equal to cos theta into 1 cos theta minus root 3 cos theta, then plus sin theta into 1 is sin theta, then minus root 3 into sin theta is minus root 3 sin theta minus root 3 sin theta. Now we can cancel cos theta and cos theta. We can cancel cos theta and cos theta. Now minus sin theta we cannot cancel, then root 3 sin theta and root 3 sin theta we can cancel. Now what is remaining here? So here remaining is root 3 cos theta minus sin theta, then here it will become minus root 3 cos theta plus sin theta. Now we can group cos theta in one side and the sin theta in other side. So root 3 cos theta, then plus root 3 cos theta plus root 3 cos theta plus root 3 cos theta is equal to sin theta plus, when we take this minus sin theta into the right side, we'll get positive sin theta. Sin theta plus sin theta, we will get it. Now what is root 3 cos theta plus root 3 cos theta? That is 2 root 3 cos theta, 2 root 3 cos theta. Then what is sin theta plus sin theta? That is equal to 2 sin theta, that is equal to 2 sin theta. Now we can cancel 2 and 2 from the both side. Now what we can take cos theta, we can take into the right side. Root 3 is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta. Then tell me, what is sin theta by cos theta? Sin theta by cos theta is a tan theta. So here we'll get it. We'll get tan theta is equal to tan theta. Sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. Tan theta is equal to root 3. Now you know how to solve it, right? We can write that tan theta is equal to root 3 in terms of tan. That will be tan 60 degrees root 3. Therefore theta is equal to 60 degree. We know that theta is 60 degree. 60 degree is an acute angle. So in the question they are asking to find the acute angle theta. Hope all of you understood this question. Now we can move to the second question. Our second question, find the value of cos 2 theta if 2 sin theta is equal to root 3. So cos 2 theta, we need to find cos 2 theta value, we need to find, and what is given here? 2 sin 2 theta. 2 sin 2 theta is equal to root 3. 2 sin 2 theta is equal to root 3. Now this 2 I can take into the right side. Sin 2 theta is equal to root 3 divided by 2. Sin 2 theta is equal to root 3 divided by 2. Then tell me, in which angle sin gives root 3 by 2? Yes, 60 degree. Sin 2 theta is equal to sin 60 degree. Therefore 2 theta is equal to 60 degree. Therefore 2 theta is equal to 60 degree. Now they are asking to find the value of cos 2 theta. So 2 theta value already we have. Then what is cos 2 theta? Cos 2 theta. So cos 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2. Cos 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2. Hope all of you understood this question. Now we can move to the third question. What is the third question? Root 3 sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 0. Then find the value of theta. Root 3 sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 0. Now what we can do it? We can take minus cos theta into the right side. You will get it. Root 3 sin theta is equal to cos theta. Next step, I can take sin theta into right side. I will get it root 3 is equal to cos theta divided by sin theta. What is cos theta by sin theta? We know that sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. So it's reciprocal. Cos theta by sin theta become reciprocal of tan, that is cot theta. Root 3 is equal to cot theta. Now tell me, in which angle cot gives root 3? Yes, cot 30 degree is equal to cot theta, therefore theta is equal to 30 degree, therefore theta is equal to 30 degree. Hope all of you understood this question. Now we can move to the next question. Our next question is sin theta plus cos theta is equal to root 3. Then find the value of sin theta cos theta. So this kind of one question we have discussed in the MCQs part. So here sin theta plus cos theta is equal to root 3. Now we need to find the value of sin theta into cos theta. For getting that value, I am going to squaring this function both side. If I square it, here I need to apply a plus b whole square identity. A plus b whole square identity. What is a plus b whole square identity? That is a square. A square becomes sin square theta plus b square. B square is cos square theta. B square is cos square theta plus then next term will be 2ab, 2 into 2 sin theta into cos theta, 2 sin theta into cos theta, which is equal to root 3 square will be 3. Now what is sin square theta plus cos square theta? That is 1 plus 2 sin theta into cos theta is equal to 3. Now this 1 I can take into the right side. 2 sin theta into cos theta is equal to 3 minus 1. What is 3 minus 1? That is 2. 2 sin theta into cos theta is equal to 2. Now these two and these two getting cancelled. Therefore sin theta into cos theta is equal to 1 is the required answer. Hope all of you got this question. Now we can move to the next one. So what is our next question? If theta is an acute angle and sin theta is equal to cos theta, find the value of tan square theta plus cos square theta minus 2. Now here it's given that sin theta is equal to cos theta. Sin theta is equal to cos theta. So how can we find the value of theta? So exactly same thing we have discussed in the MCQ section. If sin theta is equal to cos theta, this happens only when theta is equal to 45. So here you can write theta is equal to 45, or we can find it how we can both side we can divide with the cos theta, which is equal to sin theta. Then both side I am dividing with the cos theta divided by cos theta, cos theta divided by cos theta. So sin theta by cos theta is tan theta is equal to 1. In which angle tan gives 1? Tan theta is equal to tan 45 is equal to tan 45 degree. Therefore theta is equal to 45 degree. Therefore theta is equal to 45 degree. Now what they are asking to find? They're asking to find the value of tan square theta plus cot square theta minus 2. So theta is 45. So tan 45 whole square plus cot 45 degree whole square minus 2. What is tan 45 degree? We know that tan 45 is 1 square plus cot 45 is also 1, because if tan 45 is 1, it's reciprocal, that is cot, where reciprocal of 1 is 1 only. So minus 2, then 1 plus 1 minus 2, which is equal to 0 is the required answer. Hope all of you understood this one. Now we can move to the next question. Our next question is again the same kind of question. Sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 0. Then find the value of sin raised to 4 theta plus cos raised to 4 theta. The same question, we have done it in the MCQ section also, but this question sometimes they will ask in the 2 mark section also. Once again we can solve this one. Sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 0. Sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 0. Now sin theta is equal to this cos theta I can take into the right side. Sin theta is equal to cos theta. Sin theta is equal to cos theta. Now directly I am writing theta is equal to 45 degree. You know how we are getting this one. In the previous question I proved how we are getting, or sin theta is equal to cos theta. As per the grade 10 knowledge, this happens only when theta is equal to 45. Other values are there, that is beyond your concept. Remember that other values are there, that is beyond your concept. Now here we need to find sin raised to 4 theta plus cos raised to 4 theta. Now this one I can write that sin 45 degree whole raised to 4 plus cos 45 degree whole raised to 4. Now what is sin 45 degree? Sin 45 degree is 1 by root 2 whole raised to 4 plus what is cos 45? That will become 1 by root 2 whole raised to 4. What is 1 by root 2 whole raised to 4? That is 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2, that is 1 by 2. Again 1 by root 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4. So we'll get 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, that is equal to 2 by 4. Answer is 1 by 2 is the required answer. Hope all of you understood this one. Now we can move to the next question. Our next question is, if sin alpha is equal to 1 by 2 and cot beta is equal to root 3. So here I can find the value of alpha and beta using special angle concept. Sin alpha is equal to, in which angle sin gives 1 by 2? Sin 30 degree. Sin 30 degree. Therefore alpha is equal to 30 degree. Now cot beta is equal to root 3. So in which angle cot gives root 3? Cot 30 degree. Cot beta is equal to cot 30 degree. Therefore beta is equal to 30 degree. Here we got alpha and beta, both are 30 degree. Now what they are asking to find? Cosec alpha plus cosec beta. Cosec alpha plus cosec beta. Now cosec 30 plus cosec 30 plus cosec 30 degree, that is 2 times cosec 30, that is equal to 2 times cosec 30. What is cosec 30 value? Sin 30 is 1 by 2, so it's reciprocal. Cosec 30 become 2. Then 2 into 2, that is equal to 4 is the required answer. Hope all of you understood this one. Now we can move to the next question. Our next question is, sin theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Then prove that cos square theta plus cos raised to 4 theta is also 1. So it's given that sin theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Sin theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Then we need to prove that cos square theta plus cos raised to 4 theta. So here sin square theta I can take into the right side. Sin theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. We know the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So therefore 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. Sin theta is equal to cos square theta. Now what they are asking to find? Cos square theta plus cos raised to 4 theta. Now this one I can write that cos square theta, cos raised to 4 theta, I can write cos square theta whole square. Now what is cos square value? This is equation number 1. From equation number 1 we'll get cos square theta sin theta. So cos square theta is sin theta. This will become plus sin theta whole square. That is equal to sin theta plus sin square theta. So what is sin theta plus sin square theta? That is already given in the question. The answer is 1. Therefore cos square theta plus cos raised to 4 theta is also 1, hence proved. Hope all of you understood this one. Now we can move to the next question. Our next question is, cos a plus cos square is equal to 1. Then find the value of sin square a plus sin raised to 4a. Same as the previous question, but here cos function is given. We need to find sin. So here cos a plus cos square a is equal to 1. Same, we can take cos square into right side. Cos a is equal to 1 minus cos square a. Then cos a is equal to sine square A, cos A is equal to sine square A. This will be equation number 1. Now what we need to find? We have to find sine square A. We need to find sine square A plus sine raised to 4A. Now, sine square A is what? Sine square A, sine raised to 4A. How can we write? Sine square A whole square, sine square A whole square. Now, sine square A value we have, that is cos A plus the sine square will become cos A whole square, that is equal to cos A plus cos square A, that is 1, because that value is given in the question, right? It's a given. Cos A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Hope all of you understood this question. Now we can move to the next question. My dears, our next question is tan theta is equal to 1 by root 7. Tan theta is equal to 1 by root 7. Then find the show that cosec square theta minus sec square theta divided by cosec square theta plus sec square theta is equal to 3 by 4. So here our required expression is cosec square theta minus sec square theta divided by cosec square theta plus sec square theta. This one I will convert in terms of sine and cos. Then after that we can substitute the values. Cosec square theta, I can write that 1 by sine square theta. Sec square theta, I can write 1 by cos square theta. That is whole divided by cosec square theta 1 by sine square theta plus 1 by cos square theta, Now, what we can do it here? We can cross multiply this one. When we cross multiply the numerator, so numerator will get cos square theta minus sine square theta, cos square theta minus sine square theta, then sine square theta into cos square theta, sine square theta into cos square theta. Then what will be the denominator? Denominator will be cos square theta plus sine square theta, cos square theta plus sine square theta divided by sine square theta into cos square theta. Now, sine square theta, cos square theta getting cancelled. Now we know that what is cos square theta plus sine square theta? That is 1. So what is remaining here? Remaining only cos square theta minus sine square theta. Now we can draw a triangle here, given that tan theta is equal to A, B, C. We will take this as theta. Tan theta is equal to 1 by root 7. Tan theta is equal to 1 by root 7. Then tan is opposite side divided by adjacent side. Therefore, we can, using these two sides, we can find the hypotenuse. So here AC is equal to square root of BC square plus AB square, that is equal to AC is equal to square root of root 7 square plus 1 square, that will be 7 plus 1, that is equal to root 8. That is AC is equal to 2 root 2. AC is equal to 2 root 2. So here we got hypotenuse is 2 root 2. Hypotenuse is 2 root 2. Now what they are asking to find? Sine cos square theta. What is cos square? Cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. So root 7 divided by 2 root 2 whole square minus sine is opposite by hypotenuse, 1 by 2 root 2 whole square, 1 by 2 root 2 whole square, which is equal to 7 by 2 root 2 whole square become 8. 8 minus 1 by 8, which is equal to 6 by 8, that is equal to 3 by 4, that is equal to 3 by 4. 6 and 8 we can cancel, we'll get 3 and 4 here. So how we are getting 6 here? Denominator is same. If the denominator is same, we can combine the numerator. 7 minus 1, that is equal to 6. 6 by 8, that is equal to 3 by 4. Hope all of you understood this question. Now we can move to our next question. Our next question is 4 cot square 45 degree minus sec square 60 degree plus sine square 60 degree plus p is equal to 3 by 4. 4 cot square 45 degree minus sec square 60 degree plus sine square 60 degree plus p is equal to 3 by 4 plus p is equal to 3 by 4. So 4 into, what is cot square? For cot 45 is 1 square minus sec 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Sec 60 will become 2 square plus sine 60. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So here root 3 divided by 2 whole square plus p is equal to 3 by 4. Plus p is equal to 3 by 4. So 4 minus 4 plus 3 by 4 plus p is equal to 3 by 4. So this get cancelled, 3 by 4, and so p is equal to 3 by 4 minus minus 3 by 4, which is equal to 0, which is equal to 0. Here we got P is equal to 0. Hope all of you understood this question. Now we can move to the next question. Find the value of x 2 cosec square 30 degree plus x sin square 60 degree minus 3 by 4 tan square 30 degree is equal to 10. How can we find this one? So we can substitute the values, then we can simplify. So here our given expression is 2 cosec square 30 degree plus x sin square 60 degree minus 3 by 4 tan square 30 degree is equal to 10. Now what is cosec square 30? Sin 30 is 1 by 2. So cosec square 30 is 2. So 2 into 2 square plus x into what is sin 60? Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So root 3 divided by 2 whole square minus 3 by 4 into what is tan square tan 30? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 whole square is equal to 10 Now 2 into 4 plus x into 3 by 4 then minus 3 by 4 into 1 by 3 is equal to 10. So 3 and 3 getting cancelled. Now 2 into 4 is 8 plus 3 x into 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 10 Now this 8 we can take into the right side. So 3x divided by 4 is minus 1 by 4 is equal to 10 minus 8. So 10 minus 8 will be 3x divided by 4 is equal to 2 plus 1 by 4. 2 plus 1 by 4. Now, what is 2 plus 1 by 4? 3x is equal to 4 2 is 8, 8 plus 3 is 9. Now 3x divided by 4 is equal to 9 divided by 4. So 4 cancel, 3x is equal to 9, x is equal to 9 divided by 3, x is equal to 3 is our answer. Hope all of you understood this one. Now we can move to the next question. Our next question is, evaluate 5 cos square 60 degree plus sec square 30 degree minus tan square 45 degree divided by sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. Now, here given expression is 5 cos square 60 degree plus 4 sec square 30 degree minus tan square 45 degree whole divided by sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. So we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta, here both angles are same. Therefore, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Here sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree, both the angles are same. So denominator is 1. Now the numerator become 5 into cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 whole square plus 4 into what is sec 30? Sec 30 is 2 by root 3. So 2 by root 3 whole square minus tan square 45 is 1. So here 5 into 1 by 4 plus 4 into 4 by 3 minus 1. So here it will become 5 by 4 plus 16 by 3 minus 1. So what is 5 by 4 plus 16 by 3? That is equal to 15 plus 64 divided by 12 minus 1. So we'll get which is equal to 79 divided by 12 minus 1. That is equal to 79 minus 12 divided by 12. So here we can cross multiply, right? Which is equal to 67 divided by 12 is our answer. 67 by 12. Hope all of you got this question. Now we can move to the next question. Our next question is 5 by cot square 30 plus 1 by sin square 60. So here 5 divided by cot square 30 degree plus 1 by sin square 60 degree minus cot square 45 degree plus 2 sin square 90 degree. Now this one I can write 5 into 1 by 5 into 1 divided by cot square 30 degree plus 1 by sin square 1 by sin square 60 degree minus cot square 45 degree plus 2 sin square 90 degree. Now what is 1 by cot? 1 by cot is tan. So 1 by cot square become 1 tan square 30 degree. So what is tan 30 degree? 1 by root 3. So 5 into 1 by root 3 whole square. 5 into 1 by root 3 whole square. Then what is 1 by sine square? 1 by sine is cosec. Therefore cosec square 60. Cosec square 60 is 2 by root 3 whole square minus cot square 45. Cot 45 is 1. So 1 square plus 2 into sine 90 is 1. So 1 square, which is equal to 5 by 3 plus 4 by 3 minus 1 plus 2. So what is 5 by 3 plus 4 by 3? That is equal to 9 by 3. 9 by 3 minus 1 plus 2. So 9 by 3 is 3. So 3 minus 1 plus 2, which is equal to 2 plus 2, that is equal to 4 is our required answer. Hope all of you understood this one. Now we can move to the next question. What is our next question? 2 sec square theta plus 3 cosec square theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta if theta is equal to 45 degree. So 2 sec square theta plus 3 cosec square theta, 3 cosec square theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta. If theta is equal to 45, if theta is 45, 2 sec square 45 degree plus 3 cosec square 45 degree minus 2 sin 45 degree cos 45 degree. Then what is sec square 45? Sec 45 is root 2. So 2 into root 2 whole square plus 3 into cosec 45, that is also root 2. So because sin 45 is 1 by root 2, cosec is reciprocal of sin, therefore root 2 square minus 2 into 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2. That is 2 into 2 plus 3 into 2, root 2 square is 2 minus 2 into root 2 into 1 by 2. So getting cancelled, this will become 4 plus 6 minus 1, that is equal to 9 is our required answer. Hope all of you understood. Now we can move to the next one, my dears. Our next question will be 2 root 2 cos 45 degree sin 30 degree plus 2 root 3 cos 30 degree. We need to find. Now that is equal to 2 root 2 into what is cos 45 degree? Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 into sin 30 is 1 by 2. Sin 30 is 1 by 2 plus 2 root 3 into what is cos 30 value? Cos 30 is 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 cos 30 is equal to, cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 divided by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 divided by 2. Now what we can do? 2 root 2 getting cancelled. Here 2 and 2 getting cancelled. So root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 3 plus 1, that is equal to 4 is our answer. My dears, I hope all of you understood this question. Now we can move to the next question. Our next question will be, if A and B are acute angles such that sine of A minus B is equal to 0 and 2 cos of A plus B minus 1 is equal to 0. Sine of A minus B is equal to 0. Then sine of A minus B, in which angle sine gives 0? Sine 0 degree. Sine 0 degree is 0. Then sine of A minus B is equal to sine 0 degree. Sine 0 degree. Therefore, A minus B is equal to 0. A minus B is equal to 0. Now, what is the next one? Next one is 2 cos of A plus B. 2 cos of A plus B. 2 cos of A plus B. 2 into cos of A plus B. So, 2 into cos of A plus B. 2 into cos of A plus B minus 1 is equal to 0. So this minus 1 I can take into right side. 2 into cos of A plus B. 2 into cos of A plus B is equal to 1. So this 2 I can take into right side, which will be cos of A plus B is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Now, what in which angle cos gives 1 by 2? That is equal to, cos of A plus B is equal to, cos of A plus B is equal to cos 60 is 1 by 2. Cos 60. Therefore, A plus B is equal to 60 degree. Now, this will be equation number 1. This will be equation number 2. I will write the equation once again, both equation once again. Then we can solve. So, A minus B is equal to 0. A plus B is equal to 60. So, I am going to add these two equations. When we add, A plus A is 2A, B becomes 0, which is equal to 60. 2a is equal to 60. Therefore, a is equal to 60 divided by 2, which is equal to 30 degree. Now, how to find the value of b? B we can substitute in any equation. Equation number 1 implies a minus b. That will be 30 minus b is equal to 0. Therefore, b is also 30 degree. Therefore, b is also 30 degree. Hope all of you understood this question. One of the very, very important type of question you can expect. One question, this kind of one question you can expect in your board examination. So, we can move to the next question. So, if 2 sine a plus b is equal to root 3. 2 sine a plus b is equal to root 3. 2 sine a plus b is equal to root 3. Then 2 I can take into right side. Sine of a plus b is equal to root 3 divided by 2. Root 3 divided by 2. Then in which angle sine gives root 3 by 2? That is sine 60 degree. Sine 60 degree. Therefore, a plus b is equal to 60 degree. Therefore, a plus b is equal to 60 degree. Equation number 1. Now we can consider the second condition. What is second condition? Cos a minus b is equal to 1. Cos a minus b is equal to 1. Then in which angle cos gives 1? A minus b is equal to cos 0 degree. Therefore, a minus b is equal to 0. Equation number 2. Equation number 2. Equation number 2. Now we can solve these two linear equation by elimination method. That is, a plus b is equal to 60 degree. Then a minus b is equal to 0 degree. Same as the previous one. We can add these two equations. A plus a is 2a plus 0 is equal to 60 degree. 2a is equal to 60 degree. A is equal to 60 degree by 2, which is equal to 30 degree. So here we got the value of a. Now we can substitute in equation number 1. Equation number 1 implies. So a is 30 plus b is equal to 60 degree. Therefore, b is equal to 60 minus 30 degree. B is also 30 degree. B is also 30 degree. Hope all of you understood this question. Now we can move to the next question. Our next question is, if a cos theta plus b sin theta is equal to m and a sin theta minus b cos theta is equal to n, then prove that a square plus b square is equal to m square plus n square. So here m and n value they have given. M is equal to what? M is equal to a cos theta plus b sin theta. A cos theta plus b sin theta. Now what is n? N is equal to a sin theta minus b cos theta. Minus b cos theta. Now here we need to prove that m square plus n square is equal to a square plus b square. So what we can do it here, we can square in both sides and we can add. Squaring and adding. Squaring and adding. Squaring and adding. Now what we will get it? M square plus n square. That is the left hand side. M square plus n square is equal to a cos theta plus b sin theta whole square plus a sin theta minus b cos theta whole square. Minus b cos theta whole square. Now we can expand using the identity a plus b whole square. It will become a square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta plus 2ab sin theta cos theta. Now, what will be the second one? Plus a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta minus 2ab sin theta cos theta. 2ab sin theta cos theta. One is a plus b whole square and the other one is a minus b whole square. Then here 2ab sin theta cos theta we can cancel. Now what I'm going to do is a square cos square theta and a square sin square theta I can group it. So here a square cos square theta plus a square sin square theta. Then I can group b square sin square theta and b square cos square theta. I can group it. B square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta. Now from the first two term I can take a square common out. A square into cos square theta plus sin square theta plus b square into sin square theta plus cos square theta. So we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Therefore, our answer m square plus n square is equal to a square plus b square. A square plus b square. Hope all of you understood one of the very important question. My dears, we are moving to the last question of the today's session. So our next question will be, prove that root of sec a minus 1 divided by sec plus 1 plus root of sec plus 1 divided by sec a minus 1 is equal to 2 cosec a. So here root of sec a minus 1 divided by sec a plus 1 plus root of sec a plus 1 divided by sec a minus 1 is equal to 2 cosec a. We need to prove it. So what I'm going to do is, we can separate the root here. So when we separate root of sec a minus 1 divided by root of sec a plus 1, then plus root of sec a plus 1 divided by root of sec a minus 1, sec a minus 1. Next step, I can cross multiply. Root sec a minus 1 into root sec a minus 1 become sec a minus 1. Then plus root sec a plus 1 into root sec a plus 1 become sec a plus 1 divided by, under the root, sec a plus 1 into sec a minus 1 will be root of sec square a minus 1. Sec square a minus 1 square, that is 1. Now here this one and this one getting cancelled. 2 sec a divided by square root of, what is sec square a minus 1? Sec square a minus 1 is tan square, root tan square a, root tan square a. Root tan square a. Then that is equal to 2 into sec a divided by root tan square a is tan a, square and root get cancelled. Now what we can do it here, 2 into sec a is 1 by cos a, then tan a is sin a divided by cos a, sin a by cos a, then cos a cancel, remaining is 2 by sin a, 2 by sin a. I can write that 2 into 1 by sin a, 2 into 1 by sin a. What is 1 by sin? That is equal to 2 cosec a, 2 cosec a. Hope all of you understood this question. So my dears, please watch the video once again and practice these questions. So these kind of questions you can expect in your board examination. So in the next section, we'll come with a 3-mark question. Bye.